Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to change your Netflix language if you can't read it. So, if you're not able to read your uh, Netflix language, display language, and you're wondering how to change it, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. So, let's just get started. Start by opening up the Netflix application itself, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. You can head over to your profile section by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, your profile page appears here. Now you can look out for your profile and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, it will show you all of the profiles that you can switch into. You can select the profile that you want to edit. So you can just go over and tap on this option called Manage Profiles for that and open up the space right here. Once you open up this page here, you should be finding all of your accounts available. You just need to select the pen icon for the account in which you would like to select the language, in which you would like to change the language to. So select the pen icon for that, and you should be finding this space where you can edit out different information for your profile. So you need to look out for the option called display language and tap on it. Look out for the option called display language and select it up. And once you select it up, here you should be finding a bunch of options available. You just need to look out for your preferred language. You can choose your preferred language from the given list. And once you choose it up, once you are okay with it, you can tap on the done in the top right corner and confirm it up. And then when you head back to your main page, you will be finding your preferred language in your display of your Netflix. And that's it. So therefore, you may also look out for your uh, preferred language this way and change your language if you can't read it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.